integrating BERD research data into the EOSC Resource Hub, or the example of analyzing land use plans in Galaxy. This screencast walks you through two key steps for publishing and enhancing your dataset. First, making it available in the BERD Data Portal and analyzing it in Galaxy. Second, ensuring it is indexed in European-level aggregators such as OpenAIRE and the EOSC EU Node. Part 1 is aimed at researchers who want to publish datasets in the BERD Data Portal and explore them using Galaxy. Part 2 is primarily relevant for repository managing staff seeking to increase the visibility and reach of the research outputs. Visit bird-platform.de and log in using your ORCID. Upload a new dataset and describe it. For this demonstration, we upload a dataset of unstructured land use plans. Afterwards, save the draft and submit it for review. Once the dataset is approved, you can refer to it via its DOI. For processing this dataset, head over to the usegalaxy.eu and select the dataset published in BERD as input of the workflow. The aim is to OCR the provided land use plans and extract information on the floor space index from them. Then, trigger the run of the workflow and wait for it to complete. Once the workflow is finished and you are happy with its outputs, you can export this invocation back to BERD as a new record. Galaxy has now created a record in BERD and provides you with its URL. This is the record you will export the file to. By following the link provided by Galaxy, you are led to the newly created record in BERD. This includes all inputs and outputs of the workflow invocation, as well as extra provenance information. You could now publish again. Log in with an admin account and navigate to the OAI PMH settings. Make sure a set named OpenAIRE Data is present. Define datasets to be harvested. OpenAIRE will read our metadata in the format OAI datasite. In preparation, BERD was adjusted to comply with the guidelines for the data archives of OpenAIRE. This is how the OAI set looks like. Next, for OpenAIRE to know about these datasets, visit provide.openaire.eu and register to the repository. Once registered, the repository appears as a data source in OpenAIRE, ready to be harvested. For checking metadata compatibility, you can run validations against the created OAI sets and assess the results. As a final step, visit the EOSC EU Node at open-science-cloud ec.europa.eu. Once BERD records are harvested by OpenAIRE, you will find the dataset in the EOSC EU Node Resource Hub.